Hello passionate gardener, if you are growing tomato plant, this video is for you. Can you believe this two plant and this are the same batch plant? And I will share you a trick or things that I have done to give a massive growth like this. I have saw these seeds, tomato seeds at the same time like this, like for these ones. And the difference between this and these big ones is only 10 days. And I will share you how these banana peels and eggshells help me grow these massive tomato plants. And not only this, there are a few more I'll be sharing now. So what I have done, around 10 days before, I have planted two different batch. This is the batch which I planted with a bigger pot with a eggshell by I just make some small pieces of eggshells and banana peels by cutting this up. I put in the soil under the mulch and put the mulching in the bigger pot. The growth is like this. This and the other one planted at the same time, and you see like the difference between these two in 10 days is huge. So if you have plant like this, don't worry about it. Do this step now, you will get a massive plant like this. So difference between this size and this size is this does not have any banana peels or calcium or eggshell, which is source of calcium, and that really help on the plants which is grow faster, the fast growth like tomato. And this is banana peels have lot of potassium, manganese, magnesium. Those help plants to absorb the nutrients like flow from the soil root system to leaves, and that also like calcium helps to reduce the end rotting of tomatoes. So these both really help on the growth and fruiting side. So these two are in bigger pot, you can see, but I have not added any tomato or calcium. So with this 3 stage, it will be clearly understood. If you pot this in the bigger pot, it will see these results because they get more space to for the rooting. If you add banana peels or calcium, banana peels and eggshells with mulching, this is give a great growth like this. Mulching, why mulching? Mulching help us to retain the moisture in the water. Banana peels also help lot to maintain the water in the soil. So with this one, like I'm going to apply the eggshells. You can just simply use like this around the plant and then add those peels, because after giving water I'll be mulching on top of it. So maybe one eggshell and one banana peels is enough for one plant. That's what I have done for the other one. And then use the mulching. So I'm using some bark chips. You can use any mulching you are preferring. You can use straw or other things as per your preference. But if you are giving regular watering, then probably mulching you can skip, but mulching help you to reduce the water. So you can just do a little bit of this, and this will just give a help on this side. So yeah, that's it. So that should be it. So use water, and in 10 days time you will see a massive growth. Even in few days time you will see the growth, how it's thriving. Other important tips I'm going to share today, that how you can maintain this tomato plant growth, because it's already started growing. So you can see a lot of side shoots are coming. You need to break out some side shoots, because you don't want this tomato to be a bushy one. You want this growth to be, because I already see some flowers coming on here. If I zoom it properly, yeah, you can see this flower is already coming. So this is a F1 big varieties, so this will have massive size fruit. So I'll just remove those side shoots. And other things like you probably can, once the older leaves are getting yellow, cut them up from down, and that will give boost to the upside growth. So with these tips you should be able to grow your tomato plant successfully. I have few more here which is growing and thriving, I would say, like with these simple tips. If you use this method, try that if you have not used it, and it's definitely going to help a lot to your tomato growing, and you will be amazed with the results. try this and let me know in your comments how it went. And if you like the video or the content I'm sharing, give a thumbs up. That's encouraging me for more content creation, because I do gardening in the here in all container gardening, lot of fruits and vegetables. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and stay with the channel and keep sharing your thoughts. I would love to share the knowledge I gather from gardening experience. And until the next video, I would say bye bye for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, passionate gardener.